I'm Kip, and who's this?
Bob.
Bob, yeah, why not? So today's video we're going to be doing something very different and something we haven't done before, and what we're going to be doing?
Baking a cake.
Okay, so what kind of cake are we going to be baking?
A pineapple upside down cake.
Yes, we're going to be making a pineapple upside down cake, and this is actually Lisa Faulkner's recipe. And weirdly, like about 5 or 6 years ago, I actually made this recipe with Lisa Faulkner at a blogger event. She's a very lovely lady, and this is a very simple recipe, and hopefully we can recreate it here in our kitchen, and hopefully you can too. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Excellent. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll measure out the ingredients and go through those, and then go through the method. And as I say, it's so simple, even an idiot like this can do it. Okay, so let's get on with it.
For this recipe, you need 275 grams of butter, 275 grams of self-raising flour, 275 grams of caster sugar, 275 grams of golden syrup, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 4 large eggs, 100 millilitres of milk, 12 pineapple slices, and some cherries. First of all, you need to grease your pan. Second of all, you need to put the baking parchment in. Third of all, you need to put your golden syrup in. You need to tilt it in different directions for it to all come. Okay, so now I am laying the pineapple chunks. I would recommend using a fork, but that's just me. If you want to be using your hands, that's up to you. Got to place a cherry in between each circle of pineapple. These ones we got from Sainsbury's. They're in the baking aisle with a little extra information. Make sure they're not like leaking out or anything. You want to plant them in nicely. Now it's time to make our cake mixture. Now we're going to be placing in the butter. Now we will be putting in the caster sugar. And we will be putting in the self-raising flour. And last of all, we will be putting in the baking powder. So now we will be putting in the other ingredients to a different bowl. Half of that didn't go in. All done. So now we will put in the milk and the vanilla extract. So now we are lightly beating it. So now I'm pouring the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So now that will make a whole nice little thing for us. Now we're pouring the mixture in. Gotta do it evenly. Now I'm smoothing the cake mixture with a palette knife. I will be putting it in the oven now. The gas mark has to be 4 or 160 degrees. Hot, hot, hot. Ugh. Now it's in it. It says 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna ask Alexa, set us a timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes, starting now.
And we shall wait. So now my cake is finished, and this is what it looks like after. It looks very yummy, I'm sure we'll all enjoy it. So now we have got the cake out of the tin, and I decided that I'm going to put some vanilla frosting on it to make it especially my own cake. So I don't know, I just get some and then...
Do you think this will be so sweet that it rots your teeth?
No. Good treat. All done. So now we are going to test it, and I am very excited to try. Oh.
How's that?
This is amazing, I love it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and for now it is game over!